Alright, we're at the airport again, but we're on the second floor. Look at that. Everybody's down there. Alright, we're here waiting to go board our plane. We got some Vietnamese sandwiches here. We got scammed because there was a sandwich that in the display was ham and cheese. But then when they gave it to him, it was like ketchup and a bunch of like random like meats and stuff in it. Like weird. It was like a Vietnamese sandwich with ketchup. And then we found another food place right next to it. The sandwiches were $35,000 a piece. The one that we got scammed on was $85,000, which if it was ham and cheese kind of makes sense because cheese isn't in Vietnam as much, so it probably costs a lot more. But since they made it with some other random stuff and put ketchup, that's definitely not that. So they probably they probably do that to get it for sell you a more expensive sandwich, but then pocket the money. They give you like a cheap sandwich. So be careful with that. Make sure you get what you order and open it, and probably if it's wrong, ask them to change it or a refund or something. I don't know if they would do that, but they probably would. So my aunt ordered Burger King. The fries are actually pretty good. How's the burger?
I think I want
Chicken? McChicken? It's like a thin chicken.
Yeah. Yes, I want.
It's a grilled chicken, and they got like an ice cream in a cup. Good stuff. Okay, here's a grilled chicken sandwich. Looks like mayonnaise, cheese. Nah, I'm okay. Let me see how this tastes. I'm gonna give it a bite. Interesting.
Shut up.
It's like rotisserie chicken in with a cheese, lettuce, mayo. Tastes good. But I've never had anything like that at Burger King before. Alright, we're getting on this big bus to take us to our plane. Oh. Are there enough seats? Oh, we have to stand maybe. There's more seats. I don't know if we're allowed to stand. Okay, we're in this bus, but the window's really dirty, so I don't know if you can see anything, but go over there, and then we're gonna go up some steps on one of these planes. Alright, so here's our plane. One of the passengers, they almost missed the flight because there was a battery in their box that they wrapped up with tape. And yeah, so luckily they found the box, and then what? This way? Luckily they found the box, and then they didn't have tape to wrap it. They have a wrapping station, and then they rushed him through, said it's okay, pass through the front of the line for security. And luckily he made it just in time to the plane, just because his battery they couldn't find was in that box. Alright, we're going down this tunnel. Be careful stepping down, don't hurt your... It's a little bit of rain, not much. Sprinkling. There's our jet, and we're going on another bus home to the next stop. Okay, we just left the bus. Talong put his luggage far back, so we gotta wait for him, but we're here. Okay, as you can see, it's raining outside. Oh, they opened the door again, so now we can't see anything. Alright, and here you can see they got these rave lights in here.
I like the smashing.
All this, look at that.
I hate the.
But yeah, you can see.
Yeah, that's what it's like.
See outside, it's all raining outside. Okay, look at this bridge here. Leaving the airport. It's too much rain to see stuff. This is in Da Nang. Look at that sparkle sparkles. We got this FPT shop. Fat something shop. Just kidding. Look at this. It's not as crowded. I don't know if it's because it's raining, so less people are on their bikes or something, but I mean, there's a lot of bikes parked all around. But this place has a lot of lights going on. It looks pretty advanced. Okay, look where we're staying. There's that giant Ferris wheel over there, far away. Oh, it's too dark for my camera to film clearly what happened there. See that? We got this like river right here. Look at that. Alright, so this is the hotel we're staying at. Sun River Hotel. Got a big sign up there. Look at that, all the way up there. I don't know where my dad's going. He's walking off over there. You can see the bridge. They have some nice lights. Look at these people going crazy. They're going fast here. Over there. Look at the boat across there. so many lights on it. Okay, this is the elevator. Look at this. It's like a weird bathroom scale glass thing. And then they have a phone number pad here. It's a mirror all around.
Look at the view from the spa.
The view from the spa.
That one's kind of cool.
Alright, we're here on another floor. Let's see what's up here. 507, 506 here.
Dude, you guys definitely have a view.
Let's see what's here. Open.
Definitely have a view.
Open sesame. Let's see what's in here. Oh, it's beeping at us. The bomb's gonna go off. None of these lights work here. Okay, there we go. There's no view at all. There's no window at all. No wonder why.
What's in here?
That's why the price difference, because you get a window. So there's the other one. It has like a window, but it's like 200,000 extra or something. Man. So you got a electric water heater and cooler there.
Oh shh.
So that means you will get instant hot and cold water. But yeah, so the rooms are about the same. The other one has a slightly bigger bed, and then you have a view to the side of the other building. You don't really get a lake view. But no smoking signs. Little slippers. Huh? What are you looking for? AC. You just leave the refrigerator open and it'll cool you down.
Oh, the refrigerator's down there.
Just kidding. Oh, it's up here. So there's a remote somewhere.
Look at the
The AC's here.
Use the car air freshener.
And they put a car air freshener on there.
Dude, why is that?
Oh, here you go.
So dirty.
Found it. They set it to 27. That's really high. So it's too warm, so we'll set it to like 23 at least. All right. Okay, they got like 3 boats here. Look. Look at that. Look at that building. Giant rock star advertisement.
That looks so funny.
The logo on the taxis remind me of Quiznos subs. We're at some restaurant. Look at these fish.
Spaceman.
We got some like giant red ones. Oh, sorry. Look at those giant red-eyed fish. Here's the Pepsi. They got this.
Yeah. Look at that.
These are weird napkins. It's like
That's paper.
it's like paper. It feels like the inside of a cereal box, but thin, really thin.
This is like a newspaper.
It's I guess like newspaper. All right, so here's what we got. It's like a half a chicken or something. Okay. We got this soup. I don't know what this is. I wanted some kind of rice, but I was expecting white rice. I don't know what's. We'll see.
This is garota.
Interesting.
I don't need a chicken.
Okay, here's the soup. It's probably a chicken broth with onions. Celery? I don't see celery. Oh yeah, okay, there's celery. Or something that looks like celery. Looks like green onions and... Oh no, that's not green onions. That's some kind of leaf.
Cilantro.
Oh, that's tasty. No, it's not cilantro.
It's not?
The leaves are like cut up, like... Yeah, it's not cilantro. It's good.
Oh, do you want sauce?
Oh, there's also this kind of sauce here.
Just in case you want.
I need that.
Oh.
It's a little sour.
I like the soup. I need chopsticks. Where's the chopsticks at?
Yeah. We didn't ask for chocolate.
Hot? Don't burn yourself. And we got some
What is this?
pickled veggies or something.
Oh, there's steam coming out.
It's very hot. Yeah. That one.
Slightly spicy cabbage.
Yeah, but you gotta dip with it.
The soup's really good. Let's try
So I think
some of this
I don't
rice.
This
I don't like cucumbers.
I like cucumbers. Give them to me.
Why?
Yeah.
Put this in here.
I'll take them.
Tastes better.
The rice is good. It's not. The rice doesn't have like a strong flavor or anything. Okay, I can't do this with one hand. Give me a second. All right, so here's the chicken. It's really hot. It's like burning hot. Can we try it without anything?
But with that, the
One
wing.
place I need the most napkins.
It's good. Oh yeah, the one place we need a lot of napkins. They have these.
Is lame now.
Good
Maybe
chicken.
That's the reason why.
Nice and chewy.
They don't make any
Like
noise.
this chicken's been running around a lot.
Yes.
That's cool.
Let's try this sauce.
I like
Kind of like a light sweet and sour sauce.
This is good.
Pretty good. I think it's probably good with this.
that one.
Oh yeah, I didn't try that. Oh no, I didn't mean to dunk it like that. Give it back. I need some chopsticks.
So
These forks
crazy.
don't work.
You just suck at it.
You want me to ask?
Do they have?
That table behind you has chopsticks. So we just grab them.
Okay, that's pretty good.
How many
All right,
chopsticks?
I need to try this sauce now. All right, let's try this bowl with the chilies in it. That's a lot of sauce that they give here. I don't know if they should give that much of this, whatever this is.
Make
Okay.
sure you watch
I
it
think
before you
I
touch
think
your
I wasn't
plate.
supposed to
That's
dip
all.
chicken in there.
Trust me, I've been.
I think these are like
cautious of
pickled.
what I'm doing.
Okay. I think these are actually pickled like chili peppers, so you're not supposed to dip your stuff in there. You're supposed to like put it on your stuff. I don't know. They probably reuse it because there's no way you're gonna eat all of that.
Okay,
Yeah.
don't do it. That's
Yeah.
meant to be taken out.
Yeah.